Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Review. In today's episode, we are going to explore how to solve a simple ratio question in less than 2 minutes. So if you'd like to know how this can be achieved, stay with me all the way till the end and you'll be able to find out the secrets for yourself. But for now, let's do a very quick deep dive into the question together. Brian kept his black and white caps in 2 boxes. The number of black caps and white caps in the first box was in the ratio of 2 to 1. Number of black caps and white caps in the second box was in the ratio of 5 to 7. It is mentioned that the 2 boxes had the same number of caps. And this is our key phrase. So what fraction of Brian's caps were white? So to solve this very quickly, I will not be drawing model. Instead, I will use my trusty ratio table. Alright, so first box, B for black, W for white, and total. Second box, B for black, W for white, and total as well. And I will try to quickly fill up my table. Alright. So in the first box, the ratio is 2 to 1, meaning black 2 units, white 2 units, total 3 units. In the second box, the ratio 5 to 7. So 5 units for black, 7 units for white, total 12 units. So for this question to be done quickly, my job is to make the units for the total the same for the first box and the second box. And I realized that it's actually very difficult to turn 12 units into 3 units for a second box. Rather, it's a lot easier to turn 3 units into 12 units for the first box. So I will actually circle total for both of them, for the first box and the second box. And my mission now is to turn 3 units for the first box into 12 units. And this can be achieved quickly by multiplying by 4. Alright? So what we're actually doing here is this thing called equivalent ratio. Okay, equivalent ratio. So I'll multiply by 4 throughout, and I'll have 8 units for the black, 4 units for the white, and now I have 12 units for the total in the first box. And the question is asking us for what fraction of Brian's caps were white. I will need to find out what's the total white in both boxes. So total white in this case will be 4 units from the first box, add the 7 units from the second box, and this will lead us to 11 units. So if the question wants us to find the fraction white, I will also need to find the grand total. Alright, so grand total in this case, the grand total, it has got to be 12 units times 2, 24 units. Since both boxes now have the same number of caps. And finally, my fraction white for Brian, fraction white, it will be the total white out of the grand total. And in this case, it must be 11 out of 24. And this will lead us to the answer option 4. So do you manage to get the correct answer as how I've shown you? If you did, a big congratulations to you. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or you got anything out of it whatsoever, hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know where you guys are tuning in from. That's always good for us to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, remember, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign, by the way, because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye!